Hi there YouTubers and to my subscribers, it's On The Road Again UK here. Just to let you guys know, I've got a new car. I'm not going to let you guys know what car it is yet until the end of the week. So, what day is it today? It's Sunday today, Sunday to Sunday. As I say, I've gone for something quite cheap and reliable. It's a 1.4. It is 2014 model. As I say, I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to let you guys guess what I've got. But as I say, it's quite reliable what I've got. Just got to get one thing sorted on it, which is the tyre pressure sensor. So obviously the light keeps coming on. Just got to get that sorted, and there's a little tiny little bit of a noise coming when I pull away in first gear. But then it goes away. It's like just got to get that sorted, and then it's all cushy. Apart from that, the whole car's fine. It's it's nice and smooth. It's very reliable, I'd say. I'm really happy with it and chuffed, absolutely chuffed. Very chuffed. Yeah. As I say, I've got a I've not got a. Just to let you guys know, it's not a Ford. I will never be going back to that make again. Not after all the ones I've had. And yeah, even though that some of them have been unreliable and not looked after by other people and that, by previous owners, although it goes by that, but at the end of the day, like, they shouldn't be going wrong when I get them fixed. So it's one thing after another with them. I haven't gone for a Kia, so if you guys put Kia on there, no, it's not Kia. Yeah. Apart from that, the car's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. So not, as I say, there's no fault with it really. I can't really say there's any mechanical fault. It's only 6 years old. It's a 14 plate. As I say, me and my missus, we love it. It's a lovely car. It's nice and smooth. It's not, as I say, it's not like the Fiesta what I had, when you could smell fucking diesel fumes coming through to the bloody cabin, and that, like, you shouldn't be able to smell that because I had the thing sorted out on it. Yeah, go, that's fine. Give way on that. Get a little bit. Sometimes when I haven't been down here for ages, going to the dump. Gets a little bit. I keep looking at the blade traffic light, but it's a good way. So yeah, that's the thing. I haven't been driving for 3 months since coronavirus and that, because I was waiting for it to die down, and then I was going to get a new car. Yeah. As I say, the reason why I haven't gone for a Kia is because I can't really find one that I like in the price range as well, and they're either too much for what I want, they're either too high mileage. This car itself, it's done 57,601 miles, so it's not too bad. I mean, when I picked it up, it's 57,300 something, but it's done. It's not bad for a 6-year-old car. It's had one owner. It's had full service history, all the stamps and everything. As I say, it's got full MOT. But as I say, the reason why I didn't go for a Kia is because, like, they're either in the wrong colour, so that either people, I want to ask people a question. Why do people go for white, black and red in Kias? Why? Like, that's the most horrible colours that you could go for. Like cherry red, I mean, that's going to fade. White gets dirty, black it shows the dirt, and it's either in the wrong size engine. I mean, there was a really basic Kia, I think it was a Kia Air, It was a Kia, yeah, well, obviously the one, but it was really basic, and it had a new clutch about 54,000 miles on it, or something like that. And the car was a 13 plate, I think. And you wonder why it's had a new clutch. It's probably had an elderly person driving it and probably straining the clutch and all that, or it's had someone treating it like shit, either a youngster treating it like shit and ragging it, or I don't know, or an elderly gent or whatever, not revving it too high, you know what I mean? And but as I say, either the engines were too small, or the price was too bloody high for what the car was worth. And I just thought, you know what? And then all the other cars seemed to be up north. Like, I had a limit really on how far to go. And I mean, I picked this car up in Basingstoke. But as I say, they're doing the COVID thing. I only got a dumper microwave anyway. There's electrical, so electricals would be, what end? It'd be down the far end, I think, from what I can remember of this dump. But apart from that, as I say, the car itself, it drives faultless. The only thing I've got to change is it has got Bluetooth for the obviously the mobile phone, but obviously not for the media. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the stereo and put an Android stereo in there. So maybe, you know, get one for Christmas or something. So I put it on the Christmas list. What else? So there's nothing really much else really. As I say, yeah, back to the Kias. Like, I wanted to go for a Kia Rio for a 1.4, either a 2 or a 3. The 3 would have been good because it would have been like near enough the same as what I had before, but just a bit of a younger year, not older year, sorry. So then you don't get obviously you don't get the reversing camera and the sat nav and that. But I did see one, but it was too far away. It was up in London. I thought, I'm not travelling all the way up there to go and get it, and it was too much for the price range as well, because I had to consider really a year's insurance and a year's tax. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you guessing on the car until Sunday. Probably guess what I've got. Something that all like first drivers go for really.